Okay, this is PreCalc, assignment 25, chapter 7-4, example 5, repeated linear and quadratic factors. So write the partial fraction decomposition of x plus 5, that's the numerator, over x squared, parenthesis x squared plus 1, closing the parenthesis, and to the second power. So this, I put the equal sign as usual. Okay, so this one is, you see this x squared, okay? So if you see this x squared, it's going to be a repeated linear. Like for example, 2, I believe I did it. So let me write down, this part is going to be simply, so let's start from letter A again, so over x, right? And you have to have square part too. So it's going to be constant again, constant over x squared. That's the first thing you have to write down. Now, you have to see this part too. So this part, when you have a numerator, when you write the numerator, you have to have the linear, which is next letter is A, B, so next letter is C, Cx plus, you have to carry in the constant, which is D, okay? And you just write down as it is inside without the exponents. So without exponents, outside exponent. So you have to still carry on this exponents, 1. All right, so now next thing is you have to write down the exponents as it's written on the denominator. So I write down stuff from writing in denominator here. So this is x squared plus 1 and closing the parenthesis and to the second power. I don't know what came up. Let me say again. X squared plus 1, and outside you have to carry on the second power. Okay, so now you still have to have a linear here. So it's going to be coefficient is going to be A, B, C, D. Next letter is E. So EX and plus A, B, C, D, E, F. F is a constant of this numerator. So let's write this one here, right here. Okay, so you have to solve for A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? The first thing, as usual, you have to have a common denominator. I don't know what this line comes out a little bit odd. So the first one is you have to multiply x and x squared plus 1 parentheses square. So you really have to write down a long thing. So let me copy here, make it small. Copy here. So still have times x, so I write down x here, and x squared plus 1 goes to the second power. Okay. When you write down this, you have to multiply exactly same thing here to make it equivalent to this expression. So you write down here ax x squared plus 1 and to the second power. You do this process to here. Okay, so it's kind of long process. So let's see. Now it's have common denominator. Same thing on the left hand side. I put the equal sign here. All right. The second thing it's missing is x squared plus 1 squared. So this one is missing here. So let's write down here. X squared plus 1 and squared. So to be equivalent, you have to multiply this one. Same thing. So x squared plus 1 and to the second power. Okay, I took care of b, so it's a little bit small. Now, what's missing here? This x squared is missing, right? X squared and the other part here. So this is going to be long one. So I will close the parenthesis first. And first you have to multiply x squared outside. Let me use this side so it might be easier to see. X squared, and you still have to multiply exactly the same thing. So x squared plus 1. No exponents outside, okay? So if you do this, you have to do the exactly same thing on this part, okay? So let me have a parenthesis here so it might be easy to see. I write down in this order, so it might be easy for you to see as well. So I start from, sorry, x squared and use, sorry, x squared plus 1. Oh, sorry, x squared plus 1. Okay, now it's become a little bit crazier. Okay, so last one is kind of easy. You just multiply x squared to the denominator. So if you to the denominator and the numerator. So put the x squared. You have to have parenthesis. Parenthesis is here. Okay, so I made it. The sum of the expression has a double bracket. So this is first of this one is equivalent to this. So let me cut and paste only the numerator. Okay, so this one is a little bit odd. You see it? But this is the expression, only the numerator. So I put the equal sign here, and the plus sign is missing, so I stop writing the plus sign. Plus here, plus here, plus here. Okay, the first thing you have to do is you have to rewrite this one with, um, let's see, what did I do here? Okay, so it might take a while so we have to distribute the properties here, okay? So AX times whatever this one is. So let me see what I can do. Can I get copy here? Okay, I will start cleaning up the denominator. Okay, that's the first step. Now I will cut and paste here. I hope I don't make a mistake. This is x plus 5, it carries on here. So write down x plus 5 equal to. Okay. So when I make a copy here, I will start distributing properties. So this is x squared, x to the fourth power, right? So x to the fourth power plus x squared, because it was x squared, 2x squared actually, and times 1. So that's we took care of this. I still have to multiply this, so ax times this one. So let me leave as it is right now. So this one, same thing. B times x to the fourth power plus 2x to the second power plus 1, and x square sign will be low. Okay, this is hit the middle, so x squared times x squared, x fourth power to x to the second power. So the parenthesis is 1. This is 1. You still need a plus sign. I believe, just I hope I didn't make mistake. Just make sure up to here. Oh, I yeah, I have to multiply here. Sorry. So we took care of this, not the plus sign. So this is still, let's close this. Okay, let's do this one. So x squared times ex is ex to the third power and fx to the second power. Okay. All right, second stage, we distribute here. This is kind of complicated here, but let's try not to make a mistake and do this. So if you hit the missile, it's going to be ax to the fifth power. So you're multiplying only the ax to the fifth power. Ax to a x to the third power. And ax here. Ooh, this is agreed. Okay, so this is b times x to the fourth power is bx. Only you multiplying b. 2b x squared, and this one becomes b. Now this is a little bit tricky. You have to have FOIL here. X to the fourth power to cx is cx. I will look at this one so I won't make a mistake. And clean up here. The first one is cx, I'm sorry, x to the fourth power to this. So cx to the fifth power. Second one is d times x to the fourth power. Next one is x squared times c, so I'm sorry, cx, so cx to the third power. Plus, last one is d times x squared, so dx the second power. Oh god, this one doesn't come up. Sometimes it's error too. My expression is error. So I will just carry on this and let's see there. Believing if I did the right thing, so this is the expression. Now we can collect the like terms. Yeah. So I will leave this one here. And I copy here. And we do the correct like terms. So only the fifth power is ax to the fifth power and cx to the fifth power. So let me start writing everything clean. Let's see, did I copy it? Okay, so ax to the fifth power. Clean up everything here first. And cx to the fifth power. Okay, so it must be A plus C, parenthesis, x to the fifth power. That's the only fifth power I see. Okay, this is not complete one. So I will use a crayon tool to erase the fifth power. Anything else? Now, next one is fourth power. So this is the fourth power. This is the fourth power. So B plus D, those are fourth powers. D plus C, I'm sorry, D plus B. So I will go here. Plus B plus D x to the fourth power. Okay, so we took care of those. Now it's a third power. It's there, 1, 2, 3. I see it. So 2a plus C plus E, right? Parenthesis 2a plus 2a plus 2 plus C and plus E and x cubed plus. So now we took care of cubed, cubed, cubed. Now we have to take out a square here. Okay. Let's see. So 2b plus d plus f and 2x to the second power. Okay, so now square is taken care of. Square, square, square. Okay, now it's uh, the first part, which is ax only, plus ax plus the constant. Constant is b plus, oh, only b. Okay, so we made it. So ax plus b. So we took care of everything here. So I will carry on to this one here. And this is supposed to be equal sign. So now we can see, you don't see any fifth power. So a plus c must be 0. I'm sorry, yeah, a plus c must be 0, right? And what else 0? So you don't see a fourth power. So b plus d must be 0. So now I'm writing down a plus c is 0. And b plus d is also equal to 0. Now, you don't see the third power. So 2a plus ce, it must be 0. What else? You don't see. You don't see this one either. So we have to start solving for this. So 2b, I wonder if you have to write down everything. 2b plus d plus f is also equal to 0. Now, the first number you see is here. Coefficient is x is a, and coefficient is invisible, which is 1. So a must be 1. So we solve 1. Okay. All right. Now, and B is only constant here. So B must be 5. So we solved 2 already. So B must be 5. Maybe I should change this one to red because this is the number we're going to use. Okay, so now let's plug in A equal 1. So C must be negative 1, right? This now is algebra 1. So you plug in B equal 5, D equal negative 5. Okay, here's tricky. 2A, which is 2 times 1, 2 plus negative 1. So 2 plus negative 1 is 1. 1 plus E is 0. So E must be negative 1 as well. Okay, here you plug in, you have to do mental math. 5, 2 times 5 is 10. D is negative 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And F, 5 plus F is 0. So if we didn't make a mistake, F must be negative 5. But we plug in this one to right here. So group, copy to here. Okay, and ungroup this, then I start plug in. Okay, so this is 1, 1, 5, negative 1. D is negative 5, negative 1, negative 5. I hope negative 5. So I would change the sign here to subtract. Negative 5, negative 1. Maybe textbook shows if it's negative and negative on the numerator, you can also change this one. But this is my answer. Let's compare to textbook answer. Textbook answer is this. And see, here's they change the sign. But I think it's basically the same answer. Different expressions. So let's see. I put the this answer on the bottom. Can compare it. Okay. Thanks for watching everything, everybody. So it's just to change the sign here because it's, and you can change that positive on over here. And same thing here. Okay. So since you watched as far, I can just, this is, thank you for watching. Okay. Okay, so see you later.